If your tiller engine won't start, here are the top 6 most probable causes. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which could result in the tiller engine not starting. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. The ignition coil sends voltage to the spark plug while the engine is running. If the ignition coil is malfunctioning, the engine may not start. As with the spark plug, you can use an ignition tester to determine if the ignition coil has failed and will need to be replaced. The flywheel key is a small metal piece which fits into the crankshaft and engages with the flywheel. It is designed to break to prevent damage to the engine. Over time, the key may become worn and break on its own. If this happens, you will need to replace the flywheel key with a new one before the engine can be restarted. The recoil starter could be malfunctioning and unable to engage with the tiller's engine crankshaft. Replacing the recoil starter assembly with a new one should solve the problem. A faulty on-off, start, or safety switch could prevent the tiller engine from starting as well. You can use a multimeter to determine if the switch has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the switch. If the switch tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your tiller.